Hello, I'm Pip Bensley. Ever since I caught the gardening bug in my teens, climbers have been my favourite plants. I remember going to the Chelsea Flower Show in London and being wowed by the fabulous blooms shown by many of the world's most famous nurserymen. They found a place in my heart and have remained there ever since. I garden in a small town garden and they are a godsend for increasing the available planting palette. Climbers are incredibly versatile plants, and over the next 4 weeks I'm going to be talking about their role in the garden, how and where you can use them, what they can do, how they climb and what sort of supports they'll need, selection for specific sites, how vigorously they grow and their speed of growth. We'll be looking at choices for specific situations and whether some of them are annuals, perennials, and how you can use that to your advantage. We'll look at care and maintenance, planting, feeding, pruning, and also the maintenance of them in the longer term. Finally, we'll tackle designing with climbers, how they work together, and how you can use them where nothing else works. Welcome to the first lesson of your climbers course. Today I'm going to introduce you to the practical side of climbers and what they can be used for in the garden. I'm also going to explain how they work and just how that impacts on their use in your garden. Plus I'm going to talk about the different ways of supporting them and how to choose the right type of climber for each kind of support. It's funny really, but climbers are usually the last type of plant that gardeners think about for their gardens. Showy shrubs and perennials usually grab their attention first. This is probably the fault of nurseries and garden centres. Climbers are difficult to display as they're usually on a 90 centimetre or 3-foot cane, and so are at the mercy of the wind. This leaves them stranded at a far corner of the plant area, way away from the zone of temptation near the entrance. It's a shame really, because a range of well-chosen climbers can do so much to make your garden more colourful, dramatic and stylish. They're also amazingly adaptable, able to fit into all 3 layers of a planting scheme: ground cover, the shrub layer and the tree layer. Just imagine an evergreen ground cover scheme. Perhaps it's flowered in the spring, but what is there to carry it through the summer? Plant a summer flowering Clematis Viticella in among it, and it will star the ground cover with fabulous flowers, making the same piece of planting work twice as hard. Imagine that impossible area under trees in deep, dry shade. A golden variegated large-leaved ivy will thrive in the soil and give all year round colour with no maintenance at all.